You have probably heard that it takes 21 days to build a habit. That is one of the most repeated lies in the personal development world. The real number is closer to 66 days. And there is a trick that can cut that time in half. The 21-day myth comes from a 1960s plastic surgeon named Maxwell Maltz. He noticed that amputees took about 21 days to adjust to their new reality. From that single observation, the entire self-help industry built a rule. But Maltz was talking about adapting to a life-changing medical event, not about building a new habit. A 2009 study from University College London by Philippa Lally and her team followed 96 people for 12 weeks. The result, on average, it took 66 days for a new behavior to become automatic. But here is the interesting part. The range was massive, anywhere from 18 days to 254 days depending on the person. The simpler the habit, the faster it stuck. And missing one day did not hurt. What mattered was consistency over time. Here is the trick that cuts it in half. Stack your new habit onto an existing one. Instead of saying I will exercise every day, say after I pour my morning coffee, I will do 10 push-ups. After I brush my teeth, I will meditate for 2 minutes. The existing behavior triggers the new one. Research shows habit stacking doubles your success rate compared to time-based goals. Picture this. Your alarm goes off at 6 a.m. for your new morning run. You hit snooze. At 6:10 you hit snooze. At 6:20 you finally get up. The habit you are really building is hitting snooze. Congratulations, you have mastered that in just 3 days. A 4-week plan that actually works. Week 1 and 2 focus on showing up. Do the thing for just 2 minutes at the same time and place every day. Week 3 and 4 increase to 5 minutes. Do not worry about intensity. At the end of week 4, start increasing slowly. By day 66 your brain has rewired and the habit feels automatic. Real case study. Sarah started a 2-minute daily meditation habit in January 2025. Same trigger every day right after her morning coffee. By March she was doing 10 minutes without effort. If she misses one day, the next day she naturally comes back. That is the 66-day rule in action. The 21-day rule is a myth. The real science says 66 days. Use habit stacking to attach new behaviors to existing ones, it gets faster. Week 1 and 2 just show up. Week 3 and 4 build duration. Consistency matters more than intensity. Now you know the real playbook. Tomorrow, day 24, why the scale is your best friend when used right.